Okay, you have the names? Okay, so get a bag and put it, a bag or a hat. Get a hat or a bag or a bowl and put it so we can draw names for, what is it? The secret stocking stufferer.
Yay!
Alright, I'm going first.
Okay.
Alright, let me see who I got.
You're easy. Yeah, no ring.
Oh, I think I got this person a couple years ago.
What do I do?
You pick.
You pick.
I know who you can't tell anyone.
You can't tell anyone who you got, okay?
I know who mommy got. You can't tell us.
So the budget is $10 per person.
Okay. Oh, that's
Oh, I know who you got, babe. I know who you got.
I know who daddy got.
I know who daddy
I already
got.
know who Daddy
Okay, you.
It just turned his voice.
Ooh, why?
Come on, just pick one name. Jackson, come on.
Why? Who do I got?
Keep it a secret. If you get yourself, you put it back.
Get yourself to put it back. Come on. Maddie. Hey, wait.
No,
Come on. Fine. You. Pick one. Okay.
let me see who you get.
Ah,
Who did you get, Mama? Oh, Jesus, don't show anyone. Don't show anyone. Oh, don't show anyone. Oh, I'm so happy for you. Are you happy? Yeah? She don't even know what she got.
Alright, put in the trash.
Okay, okay, let's continue dinner. Alright, so we're making homemade garlic bread. Come on, keep butter.
I got him.
Did you butter that one? You didn't butter that one. So, this is how you make homemade.
You know who you
Put
got?
a little bit of
No, I'm keeping
garlic.
mine. I
A
forget.
little bit of garlic on the butter.
I'm gonna forget.
A little bit of garlic.
You stop.
And then open this, Judge.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Don't we write down what they want or just
It's a budget of $10
Yeah.
per person.
Do they write down what they want or just give
Yeah, they're gonna write a list, and we're all gonna take turn looking at the list.
Well, it's supposed to be
What
hard.
bag you use? These?
No, didn't we pick up a bag for the potatoes?
I already know who Maggie
Yeah.
got.
Things over here.
I already know too.
Judge, who did you get? Okay, so we have leftover rice, and I'm about to heat it up
Can this
for the
work?
kids.
Kadi Juju.
That should work.
Kadi Juju.
Juju's easy.
We've never done Juju.
Can I do it?
So
Can I
I'm
do
about
it?
to put a little bit of butter,
Can I do him?
and then some. Can you do what?
Juju.
Here, you can record while I do the rice.
You didn't
Make sure it doesn't
Hi,
shake.
Nanny. You didn't write down Juju.
Oh, I gotta fix my pan.
Juju.
Okay. I gotta put away my names. Make sure you're not so up close on us. Because when you record, you be all up in our Kool-Aid.
Hey, you doing what? Guys, we're back.
I can't see any of the shirt.
What was in your lunch bag?
I got a baddie.
An apple?
Yeah,
Come.
Set up for the night.
What's my lunch?
What kind of lunch?
Celebrate good time. Come on.
Can I stop it now?
Uh-huh. You can stop. So last year we did the secret stocking stufferer,
You seen your
and it was a lot of fun. It was really fun. I think we did it the year before, and it's
I don't have you. Stop.
who you have. You got Daddy?
No, I don't have him.
Yes, you do.
Because he said, oh, you're easy.
Oh,
See? Look how
I know who Daddy has, and I know who she has.
I know who Hattie has.
But anywho,
Easy.
so Rob is helping me with dinner because we had to go somewhere, And then there's a little bit running a little late, not too late, but a little late. And I had good intentions to vlogging today, but it didn't happen. I just was in my feelings, and before you knew it, the day got away from me. No, don't take them out. Don't take them out. Everybody's gonna see who we got.
see it.
And the day got away from me, so I couldn't get to do what I wanted to do, which was to clean Maddie's room. Say hi. I wanted to clean Maddie's room, but you guys are just gonna hang out with us tonight and see what we do on a Ew! Why do you keep farting on us, dude? That's disgusting, dude.
You farted in every video.
He stay farting. Like, I stay having to edit out Rob's fart. Like,
Mom, why you say that?
and if you're watching this and you know Rob, he likes to fart. I'm sorry. Look at him.
Daddy, can I
He's
do
a farty mess.
Dad.
Stop feeding me beans.
I did not feed you beans. That's all you eat. Anywho, I'm gonna put this baby down and go check on my rice. But anyways, guys, last year I did it where I had you guys guess who got who. So you gotta guess who has who. So you gotta guess who Janice has, who Rob has, who Jaxson has, who Jordan has, who Jaxson has, and who Maddie has, okay? Just don't mess it up. A lot of people messed it up last year, which was like, and then one person got it right. I forgot. I think Deborah was the one who got it right last year. I gotta go back and check. But
You know you missed your child over here.
no, I did not. I said Janice. I said Rob. I said Jaxson, Jordan. Oh, Destiny, Jaxson, and Madison. Okay, so it's in that order. So Janice, Rob, Jaxson, Jordan, because that's the twin. Destiny. Then the little guy, Jaxson, and then the little missy right here, Madison. So you gotta guess who has who. Okay? So that's it. Just write our name down in a list and then put who got who next to it. That's the easiest way to get it. Because a lot of people were like all confused last year and mixing up everybody and putting double names and all that. And it was just like, whoa, I got confused. It was fun, but... Babe, that's a lot of butter. What are you doing?
You're going to keep it coming. Let's go. More better.
You're going to be fat. Look at all that butter.
I'm
We're gonna be fat.
Oh my
Not
gosh.
funny, Jaxson.
That's a lot of butter, babe. I had put butter in there before.
Spider-Man.
Not because you're not eating it doesn't mean that you get to clog up the children's artery. Stop, dude. What are you doing? That's weird. Gio kissing my elbow.
Hi.
And his mouth's wet and cold. Hi.
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 He has a little secret Santa that I
I'm
have to
getting
talk
one
to.
too.
Is it supposed to pop? Yeah. Look, I'm gonna show you guys how we cook sweet potato in the microwave. Okay, can you guys see that? There's a glare. Look at. Can I open it, Rob?
You're gonna stop the cooking process.
No, but it's like real quick.
No, you're gonna stop the cooking process.
No, just let me open it like real
No,
quick.
the bag's gonna shrink back down.
No, it's not. Let me do it real fast.
You can see it from here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Rob said no. Can you guys see? His little sweet potato. And then I have turkey gumbo, whatever. That one pot situation.
This smells so good.
And
What'd you get?
I have a bunch of kids on my counter. And then the leftover rice for the kids. Babe, are you doing a salad? Are you doing a salad tonight? No? Just gumbo? I call it gumbo. It's not gumbo. It's just ground turkey, lentil and green lentil and garbanzo beans. Garbanzo beans. I said that right. Kathy, you said it right the last time I asked what kind of beans those were. But
Her.
Yeah, no,
She.
it's
It's hard.
I know.
I want you to have me.
look at my beast. My beast is Hey, dude, why are you all the way over here by yourself?
There's nothing under the tree.
Oh, do you want to tell them about your friend and what happened? You don't want to share? No. No? Okay. he
No,
doesn't wanna share. Let's respect his privacy, but Jordan is dipping his toes into little territories like, and they're like, oh, so cute. No. Get off my, get off. Like, all the way off.
I wanted Maddie. I got Maddie last year.
I got
Aww.
No, you got me.
I got Jordan
Give me a
last year.
lightsaber.
Precious memories.
That was
Hey, you're ruining it. How did it? Hey, precious. Oh my gosh, you guys are ruining the moment when right, it's done. Precious memories, how they linger, how they ever flood my soul.
Show her your hair.
Back up, back up.
She'll have my hair.
Gosh, these children are annoying.
What do you think, Ben? You got longer? That's good.
Let me feel it.
You're rude, Mommy.
Let's do the finger test. Ooh, hot. Hot.
Like, ooh, hot.
Hot.
Do you know that?
Hot. Let's do it again. Hot. Let's do it again.
Guys.
Bad boy. What you gonna do when they come
Let's do it again.
No.
Have you seen a commercial where he eats a lot?
Let's do it again.
Bad boy. What you gonna do when they come for you?
Are you tired? You just woke up from a nap. She had a late afternoon nap, so she's gonna go down way after bedtime. Bedtime is like 8. I'm so excited.
What?
Stop putting in the rice now.
Oh, I'm just trying.
Okay,
Daddy,
stop.
what's the
You're making
movie
it
called?
gross now.
When they just dress up.
Rob,
as
are you texting your bud buddy?
You white chicks?
Yeah? Rob is texting his bud buddy.
No, it's not.
I'm looking at my phone. Get up. I'm going to cuss you out.
Your hair back here.
Got in trouble.
Mommy, your hair is
What do you want?
Me.
I can't pick you up right now.
Mommy, can they watch
Leave me alone. Can you leave me alone?
Can they watch me do the nay floss?
Okay, do the nay floss. Go.
Where's that boogie legs? Who's that? Blinking your legs.
Get it, dude. 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 Okay, so the garlic breads are done. This is done. Rob's sweet potato is done. The kids' rice done. We got sour cream that we're gonna put with it, and Rob has his green bean. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go sit down and eat our dinner. This is Rob's plate, just to show y'all how healthy he eats now. That's Rob's plate. So
Here, you got your food?
I'm trying to I'm gonna plate it. I'm gonna plate it. Relax. I gotta end the little mini situation right here that's going on right now. Anyways, guys, I'm looking for a play kitchen for the little one, like, you know, cause she likes to pretend play. Hey, baby. Hey. Yeah, so she likes to pretend play, so I'm looking for something where she can be, you know, creative and imagine all she wants. I've been looking at the Kid Craft, but I don't know which is the better buy. So leave below, like, kitchens that you bought for your 3-year-olds and stuff like that. Like, gift guides for, like, 3-year-olds, because I'm stumped. I know she likes play pretend stuff, and she has a lot of doll babies. If anybody buys this child one more doll baby, this I did peel it. I cut it open.
There's skin on it.
You're so spoiled, Rob. All you gotta do is just Rob is spoiled. We don't have any more bread. No, that's it, baby. You had 2. Eat your rice and your gumbo Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go eat dinner with my family, so I will catch you guys tomorrow. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button down below and join the Sunshine Squad, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.